Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is lecture number 2 of computer science from your third term syllabus. Dear students, in our last lecture we have started learning chapter number 6, more about paint. We have started reading from page number 51. We have seen the first screen of Microsoft Paint program. We have seen the drawing area, the area where we can draw our pictures, and we have also seen multiple options that are open on ribbon. Dear students, in our last lecture we have seen multiple paint tools. We have seen the working of pencil tool, fill with color tool, text tool, eraser tool, color picker tool, and magnifier tool. Dear students, in our last lecture we have also seen multiple types of brushes available in paint that we can use to make drawings. Moreover, we have also seen different shapes that are available in paint that we can use while making our drawings. Well, dear students, let's create a picture in drawing area with different shapes. You can see in the home tab there are multiple shapes given to us. We can take a shape from here and we can draw on the drawing area. We can pick another shape. We can take the square as well. There are many different shapes given to us. We can select different colors from here on which our shape will be drawn. We can make multiple shapes. After making these shapes, we can fill color using fill with color tool. We will click on fill with color tool, we will pick a color and we will fill it up in the enclosed shape. Enclosed shape mean that do not have any open end. We can take different colors and we can fill them up in different shapes. We simply click on fill with color tool and then we have selected a color and filled the shape with that color. Well, dear students, on the home tab in the images group we have multiple tools that enable us to edit drawing. Select tool is used to select different portions of the drawings. We also have crop tool and resize tool, and we can also rotate our drawing in multiple angles. Now let's make a picture. In the shapes tool we will take a rectangle from here. We will make a longer rectangle that look like a building. We will draw some windows in it. We have drawn a window. We can use select tool. It has two types of selections. One is rectangular selection. First we have selected the rectangular selection and we have selected this window that we have drawn. Now we have copied it. After copying it, we can paste it using the paste button. Then we can move the window at any place where we want to place it. Now we have two windows in our building. We can also make two more windows by using rectangle selection. We have selected the windows. After selecting the windows, we can copy it using copy button. Then we will use paste button to paste them. And after that, we will drag them on our building. After making four windows, now we have to make the door. For making the door, we have taken rounded rectangle and we have made the door of our building. Now we have made one building. We can select the building using rectangular selection. All parts of the building will be selected and we can copy it using copy button and we can paste it to make more buildings. We can paste it as many times as we want to and can place multiple buildings on our drawing area. Now we can also reduce the size of a building. If we want one building bigger than the other, then we can also reduce the size of a building. Now we have two different buildings with us. Again we will paste the same building and we will reduce its size to its half and we will move it here. Okay, now we have many buildings. We will use fill with color tool to fill different colors in the picture. This building has yellow lights. The other building may have blue lights like this. The next building may have purple lights maybe. And then orange lights. We have simply taken fill with color tool and selected the color that we want to fill and have filled the lights accordingly. Okay, now we have to fill the color indoors. It might have a gray door, a brown door, an orange door, no, yellow door. Okay, we already have filled yellow, orange color in windows and a green door. Now we can also fill colors in these buildings as well. Now these colors are finished. If we want to make more new colors, then we can click on edit color option. From here we can make shades of our own. For example, we like this color, then we will fill it up. It came here. Now we can take fill with color tool to fill this color in buildings. Now we can make another color from edit color option. Okay, and we fill it here, and then we can make another color like this and we will fill it here, and then we need two more colors. Okay, we can take a greenish shade and we will fill it here, and then we can take any color and fill it here. This way we have created a picture. Now we have to use crop tool. To use crop tool, first we have to select a picture. Up to now we have used rectangular selection for selecting multiple parts of the picture. We can also use freeform selection. To use freeform selection, we will simply make a loop around the area that we want to select, and as soon as we leave the mouse it will become a rectangle. After making the rectangle, we can also cut that part from the original. Look here, the part has been removed from that picture. Now we can also place them back like this. And we can also crop it. We want only one building from our area, then we can use freeform selection to select it, and after selecting the picture we can crop it. When we crop a picture, only single picture that we have selected will be shown on the drawing area. Okay dear students, after making a picture we want to save it. We will click on the file button. From this menu we will click on save as. A dialog box will appear in front of us. File name is shown untitled here. We will click backspace and write our own name, and we will click on the save button. Our file will be saved and the name will appear on the title bar. Dear students, now we will perform the exercise that is given to us on page 59. Match the words with their meanings. 4 words are given to us. Select is the first word. It will be matched with choose. Next word is crop. You will draw a line from crop to cut. Crop will be matched with cut. Command will be matched with instruct, and varying will be matched with different. You will complete this exercise on the book page number 59. Dear students, another exercise is given to us on page number 60. Name the following tools. We will write the name of these tools. First is select tool, crop tool, eraser tool, magnify tool, fill with color tool, pencil tool, color picker tool, text tool, and brush tool. You will fill the exercise accordingly. Dear students, now this is the time for some homework. You will read chapter number 6. After completely reading the chapter, you will fill the exercises that are given on page number 59 and 60. These are the same exercises that we have done during this lecture also. You will practice paint program, you will make your own pictures, you will fill colors in them, and you will practice multiple tools of paint program. Okay, dear students, thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed.